I thought it would be fun to do a seed giveaway. After all, I love to grow peppers, and so I like the little hot chilies, and I love the sweet bells, and so I want someone else out there who loves growing and gardening as much as I do to get 11 of my favorite rare pepper seeds. And you'll get about 5 to 10 of each one, and there'll be 11 different kind of peppers. And I'll go ahead and show you which ones will be in your little package. And we'll start here with the Spanish mammoth pepper. This is a really big pepper and it's delicious. I have a recipe on my channel where I made some Spanish pepper boats with it. And then I also will be giving you some Thai red peppers. These start out green and they mature to a bright red. And this plant always has about 100 or 200 peppers on it. I get a lot out of this little plant. And they're easy to store. Just throw them in a Ziploc bag and put them in your freezer and you can use them for all kind of things. I like to use them for Thai sweet chili sauce, and that recipe is on my channel. And this next one is a little French red pepper, and it is just a sweet little thing. It has very thin walled, and so it's great for stuffing, and that's what I've used it for. You'll notice you can find most of these recipes on my chili pepper recipe playlist, and I'll include a link for you. And then I have the purple cayenne. Now this pepper is quite unusual in that it goes from green to purple and then to red. But you can pick them at the purple stage, and I've just thrown these in things like rice, and it makes a nice little kick of heat. Now this one is the habanero. I grew this last year for the first time, and it's a very unique pepper as well. This pepper has the habanero flavor, but it does not have the heat. So I made a nice smoked pepper powder with this, along with a lot of the other peppers that I grow. I like to make sauces and little spice blends. So that's how I used this one last year. I also used the little red habanero pepper here for hot sauce, and I also smoke them and dry them for pepper powder. And then the Thai yellow, which always matures to like an orange color. This has always been a really good producer for me, and I use this one in a lot of the same ways that I use the Thai red. I typically will throw these in some kind of soup or curry to give it a little kick of heat, and it sure does do the trick, I'll tell you that. It's a pretty hot little pepper. And now for this little Hungarian pepper. It's a flat yellow pepper, very sweet, has a lot of flavor, and I think I threw this one in a little stir fry. And then here's a little North African pepper. I grew this for the first time last year, and I had some fun making little African dishes. One of them was just a Harissa Paste, and that is delicious on just about anything. And we have the yellow cayenne. I like to make a little gold hot sauce with this, and this is a really good producer, as you can see. And so with the hot sauce, I'll throw a little turmeric in there with some ginger, and it turns out just wonderful. A little apple. And then this last pepper here, it starts out green and it matures to brown, and you will typically dry this to make mole sauce. And so I dried a lot of these last year, and I've been making different types of pepper powders with them. So that will also be included. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway is just leave a comment below this video, and also head on over to my How to Grow Chilies and Peppers video. And if you haven't commented over there already, just let me know what you think about it. And if you have any questions, comment over there. And there you go. So I will actually select the winner randomly from the comments left below this video in about 7 to 8 days. The entry time for this giveaway will end 7 days after I post this video on YouTube. And this giveaway will be limited to people who live in the United States. So I'm sorry for those of you who live outside the US. So good luck, you guys, and happy gardening.